Today I'm making Funfetti ice cream cookie. First I'm going to add 2 bags of this Funfetti sugar cookie mix into a bowl. Then following the directions on the back of the package, I'm going to add some butter and water. Mix it up until the cookie dough forms. Next I have a muffin pan with liners and I'm going to add a scoop of the cookie dough into each liner and then bake this at 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Next I'm going to make the frosting, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 can of vanilla frosting into a bowl. Next I'm going to add a half a cup of heavy cream. Mix that up until it's thick and fluffy. Once the cookies were done and cooled, I took the liners off and added them to a tray, and now I'm going to add a dollop of the icing. Now I added some hot fudge in a baggie and I'm going to drizzle some hot fudge on each cookie. Then I'm going to sprinkle some rainbow sprinkles. Lastly, I'm going to add a cherry on top. Here's an up close look of the Funfetti ice cream cookies.